This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Bruce Lieb. Custom-built 1930s estate walking distance to the beach. Meticulously restored and expanded west/6 large bedrooms, 5.5 baths on private, gated double lot. Fernando Wong, the renowned landscape architect, redesigned the multiple gardens surrounding this property. Italian chef's kitchen includes European appliances and terrazzo flooring. Master bedroom on the main floor leads out to the swimming pool, and its octagonal bathroom boasts Waterworks fixtures. Original Spanish tiles grace the foyer and living room. Upstairs includes 2 bedrooms and a second master suite. Indoor/outdoor galleria off the living room with views of a pebbled courtyard offer great entertainment options. Private entranced guest suite/office on the ground level, 2-car garage accessed by motorized gate. For more information, review the details below or contact Bruce Lieb at 954-315-6000.